Freezer Pops are a household summer staple, and these over-the-top pops show off the finest summer flavors. They're refreshing, they're gorgeous, and perfect for your next poolside afternoon. Our friend Tami Steggell has mastered the art of the fresh fruit freezer pop. Can I even call it a freezer pop? Because these are next level. These are beautiful.
I just think it's so fun to do that glow-up version for moms and kids because kids love them.
Yeah.
But then they're suitable for parents.
Well, part of the gourmet flair comes in the flavor combinations, and you had some fun. Walk us through your ideas.
So this is dragon fruit. It's also called pitaya, so I called it purple pitaya.
Cute.
And it uses a butterfly pea flower. It's just a little flower that's edible that you make purple tea out of.
Oh my
So I
goodness.
turned, because pitaya is white, so I turned it purple.
Okay.
Then we have a kiwi and grape, and then a fresh cherry. There's a peach passion fruit, a mango.
Tami, amazing.
Pineapple chia.
Oh, you can see the chia seeds.
And then a watermelon, lime, and mint.
Oh my gosh, my mouth.
And then this dark purple one is blueberry, which we're making today.
My mouth is watering. You might be wondering, like I was when I stepped into the kitchen, how you got that perfect professional seal. Can we talk about products?
Oh, yes.
There's different price options. So we're gonna start with the Cadillac.
Yep, I went most expensive to most affordable, so there's a budget for everyone.
What is this?
These are stainless steel molds. So it's good for creamy or icy, and they don't stain.
Look at these.
And they're reusable forever.
They're beautiful. Santa, are you watching? I want. I gotta remember that now when we're in the throes of the snowy December.
This is gonna run Santa about $50.
Okay.
This will run Santa about $40.
Oh, I'm a good girl.
This one here is $25. It's aluminum.
Okay.
And what you're looking for is a seal so that you don't burn the exposed edges of your popsicle. This is silicone.
I have these.
And these are amazing, but they do stretch out if you like overstuff them.
They expand. Now, how are you packaging them so professionally?
So today I'm putting those freezer pops in a sleeve like this, which is disposable, or you can get reusable ones with an attached lid.
Where did you get the disposable sleeves?
On Amazon.
Amazon?
Yes.
Okay.
And then when you do a popsicle like this, you can seal it.
You made this?
And so...
You want to go into business together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I don't know what I contribute to this partnership, but I'm really excited.
Okay, and then you just put all your popsicles. So if you're having a backyard barbecue or a family reunion, I sealed it a little too long.
We sealed it too well.
Or something. Locked it or something.
Okay. But with
seals
heat,
really well.
It compresses into that sealed top. Amazing. So you can say, enjoy my gourmet homemade popsicle, and you pull out a professional package, and people, their socks are just flying off their feet.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. You've got one you're going to make for us today. What's the flavor that we're going to play with?
So this is how simple it is. 2 cups of fruit.
Okay.
So this is blueberries.
Yes.
I pre-measured it. But what is 2 cups? Because Mother Nature grows so different. 2 cups is 16 ounces.
Okay.
So that's easier. What you're looking for is 20 ounces.
Okay.
And that will make 5 4-ounce pops,
We
freezer
can kind of
pops.
probably play with measurements, right, as we go.
Then you can add water or juice.
Okay.
I like to add juice for the extra flavor profile.
Yes.
This is half a cup.
Okay.
That was very precise.
Listen, my life is in your hands, always, okay?
And then some fresh lemon juice or lime juice.
Anyone else puckering?
Either one. This like builds the flavor. And then I like honey, and I always choose local honey because it's great for allergies.
Yes.
And then you're just gonna get 2 tablespoons of that. If you use water, it's 47 calories a pop.
Okay.
If you use juice, it's 79 calories.
So we can have 3 to 5.
Correct.
And it's sitting. Just rough math.
And then
just rough math.
all you do...
No sugar. Just
no
the
sugar.
Honey. Good job.
Because there's enough sugar in the juice and the fruit and the honey.
Yeah.
So all you do is give it a good blend. And I love how blueberries turn very purple.
They have a color preference for sure.
That's it. You make the whole thing in under 15 minutes. And then every mold you buy will come with a collapsible silicone funnel.
Oh, okay.
And a little cleaning sponge.
Oh, nice.
And popsicles.
Okay.
But I like to use this metal one because I feel like it just goes so much faster.
Yeah.
So when you're making these at home, the entire process is under 15 minutes.
Tami, this is amazing. Will you be sharing more recipes?
I will be sharing all 8 of these recipes.
I'm so excited.
On Studio 5 KSL blog.
Thank you.
And then that's it. Then you seal it, and it takes 8 hours to freeze.
That's the hardest part of this whole process, is waiting
it.
the 8 hours. Oh, Tami, we love you always, but today you brought a special summer flair. Where can we get more recipe inspiration and food passion from you?
At bitemeindustries.com. And then this will appear on Studio 5 KSL website.
You have just made our day. Thank you so much.
you.
We'll link you over to Tami's website and Instagram so you can give it a follow if you aren't already. All of it, though, waiting for you, as Tami graciously mentioned, on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Is anyone excited about Otter Pops? Once again, we're growing up in all the ways.